Hey, welcome guys, Kat Ray here. So I'm here to beautify the world through home and yard improvement and have fun doing it. Today we'll be doing a little beautifying with some trellises. You see that? So beautiful. And I have my father here to help me because he is quite a master at making these things just perfect. So stick around. Okay guys, well I decided to do the metal trellises by honestly like error and mistake, because many years ago I had some wooden trellises up here and they were very beautiful trellises, don't get me wrong, they just weren't made for this area because they just weren't quite tall enough and it looked silly. So we did go on Amazon, we bought these metal trellises and I'm so excited to see these ones up because they're just so much taller. It'll be so beautiful with that honeysuckle. So we're doing the measurements here, and that is very important because you don't want to be standing back on that sidewalk or the curb and seeing those crooked trellises or lopsided. So definitely measuring it out is important.
Put them in, and now we're gonna hang the trellis and see if it works. Okay, Kat?
Awesome. I'm excited. Hang the trellis. This is so fun. Stick around.
See if we screwed it up.
Yep. Okay, well we got both of them up. This one over here, we did have to mess with it just a tiny bit. With the way it was built, it worked out perfectly. We got them straight. Okay. Yeah, you're happy with it, Dad?
I'm happy with it finally.
Finally, had to redo it a couple times. You always have to tweak it. I can guarantee you really 99% of the time you'll have to mess with it just a little bit, but it worked out. Okay friends, well we are all done hanging these trellises. I'm so grateful that my dad came and helped us, and now it's getting quite hot out here and I think I'm gonna go have some lunch and then I'll go plant those plants. Okay guys, we had some lunch and now we are back out here. Next up is to plant the plants. I got some honeysuckle and I got some pansies. So let's get these things planted. So to tell you the truth, I was out here, I had some wisteria plants out here. I didn't know much about wisteria, and there are plants that will kind of climb up, they get huge, they take over. So I had my mother come over and she said, no, you do not plant wisteria close to the house. So I followed her directions and we went and got some honeysuckle. So I'm glad for my mom that she saved me giving out those instructions. Got some Miracle-Gro quick start. This stuff definitely good thing to start with. Next step is pansies. I think we'll use those two. The rest will go to the front. Okay, I am all done with a small little flower bed with our pansies and the trellis. Now I get to go to the bigger flower bed over here. We'll plant the pansies right there. Okay guys, I am all done with this project. I'm so excited about this. I've wanted those trellises up there for so long. It'll be so much better like 3 years or so when those honeysuckles have grown a little bit. I'm really excited because I got those pansies done. There's a good shot of them. Okay, anyway, remember, work hard, play hard.